Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're diving under the sea to draw a super cute kawaii goldfish, bright, bubbly, and full of personality. This easy step-by-step tutorial is perfect for anyone who loves ocean animals and adorable art. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our fun and creative drawing videos. And here's a fun question. If you had a pet goldfish, what would you name it? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to see your fishy ideas. Let's swim into today's drawing. Fantastic job, artists! Your kawaii goldfish looks absolutely adorable and full of charm. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other kawaii animal and ocean theme drawings. There's always something fun to explore. Keep swimming in creativity, and we'll see you in the next video.